Sago Mini.
It's a quiet day at home, and Harvey's having a nice warm bubble bath. All of a sudden, he hears a strange noise. What was that sniffling sound? He hops out of the tub, shakes the water off his fur, and goes to find out what made the sound. There is a noise coming from the living room, but it's just Uncle Jasper with the vacuum cleaner.
"Jumping jellyfish, it's dusty in here," Uncle Jasper says. "Harvey, come closer. I think there's some dirt on your nose."
Yikes! Harvey scoots away from the vacuum as fast as he can. There's that sound again. Harvey decides to check the attic to see if that's where the noise is coming from. He climbs the stairs right to the top. There is a sound coming from the attic, but it's not the sniffle sound. It's Boo Boo the ghost, digging through a trunk. There sure is a lot of stuff in there. "Harvey, have you seen my favorite socks?" Boo Boo asks. "I think they might be in the wash." Harvey wonders why a ghost with no feet needs socks, but it gives him an idea. The laundry room. He should check there for the strange sniffling sound. Harvey decides to take a shortcut to the basement. Why go by stairs when you can go by Party Cloud? He hears a sound coming from the laundry room, but it's not the sniffling sound. It's the chugga 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 of the washing machine. "Grandma Nola, have you heard a strange sniffling noise?" Harvey asks.
"Pardon, Harvey dear? You'll have to speak up,"
Grandma Nola calls over the sound of the machine. "Have you heard a strange sniffling noise?" Harvey asks again, louder.
"All I can hear is the washing machine, dear,"
Grandma Nola says.
"Now hold on, I think you've got some dirt on your nose."
"Not the vacuum again." Harvey scoots away as fast as he can. He hops on the banana car and takes a quick drive through the playroom. No sniffling sound here, just a really big caterpillar. Whoa, nice shoes! Harvey hears the noise again. Could it be coming from the garden? He decides to go and check, but not before grabbing a snack from the kitchen first. His tummy is pretty rumbly. He gobbles up some cheese and a slice of pizza. Oh, whoops. Wait a minute. What a tricky slice of pizza. There we go. And he even eats some raw spaghetti. Harvey's not picky. He'll eat anything. On his way to the garden, he hears the doorbell. Ding dong! He forgot he ordered food before getting into the bath. Good thing Harvey's always hungry. Harvey runs through the living room to stay away from the vacuum cleaner and goes outside into the garden. He hears a sound, but it's the crunch, crunch, crunch of a mole eating some fresh vegetables.
Pardon me,
says a little voice from a hole in the tree.
Did you hear that strange sound coming from the roof?
Harvey forgot about the roof. I'll go check right now. He climbs up the house to get onto the roof. The sound is louder, which means he's getting closer to solving the mystery. He looks around the roof, passing by the giant space worm and... Giant space worm? How did Harvey miss Sally the space worm on the roof?
Oh.
Hey, Sally, was that sniffling sound you? Harvey asks.
"Yes, it was me,"
Sally answers.
"I've had a runny nose all afternoon, but I can't grab a tissue to blow my nose with. I don't have any hands."
"I can help," Harvey says. He lifts up the tissue box to Sally, and a new sound fills the air. It's a very loud honk as Sally blows her nose.
"Oh, much better,"
Sally says.
"Thanks, Harvey."
"No problem," Harvey says, even though it was a little gross. "But Sally, how do I get down?" Sally smiles.
"See what happens when you slide down my tail."
Harvey soars through the air and lands right next to the ball pit. And, of course, he jumps right in. Harvey's glad he figured out what was making that strange sound. But after helping a very large space worm to blow her nose, he probably needs another bath to clean off. The end.
Sago Mini.